Yo, it's been a long time coming, and I can't wait anymore. It's time to let the cat out of the bag. And on top of that, we might actually have to go back to the old setup in a minute. But until then, I'm back, baby. I'm back. Echo and all. All right, let's go. All right, guess I got a little explaining to do, don't I? But yeah, I'm back in the studio, and as you can see, I've already gotten started moving things around and making all kinds of changes. Basically, here's the game plan moving forward. So my guys at Rasa Easel no longer needed to share the space with me, so they went on ahead and moved out because it just made financial sense for them, which I understand. Right now they're about to make some big moves and things like that, so shout outs to them, and can't wait to see where this is going to lead, our partnership, relationship, all that good stuff. And so still sponsoring Rasa, and hopefully have a brand new easel in my hands soon that I can debut to you guys. That being said, now that I'm back in the studio, I have decided to keep it, and I've decided to make some changes moving forward. So as you saw, I moved the desk that was in the background, my utility desk, I moved that up front, made that into a workstation. And what I'm going to do is I've got a new addition to the workspace coming real soon. So I'm going to make that addition, and that's going to actually address a severe clutter issue in this place. Changing things around, look for some bookshelves and things to be added on, and yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now with it. So today, one of the jobs I have to do is my building that I'm in, Nebula, they asked me to do some artwork for them. Can't turn that opportunity down. So I'm actually going to get to work on some artwork that they needed. And basically, the basic theme of it is they want something to help advertise that we have the vending machines on the second floor, things of that nature. Just kind of a nice little Snickers type commercial. I guess that's the best way to put it. It's not Snickers, but it's like something to let people know snack time is available. So we have vending machines on the floor above me, or 2 floors above me. Yeah, that's the second floor though, we're in the basement. So that's the second floor. On the second floor, and they've got this beautiful work area you've seen before, where that has conference rooms, and it's a wide open space, and vending machines, and a bar, beautiful bar. I might take you guys up there just so you can check it out one more time, just to give you a reminder of what it looked like. Yeah, I might do that. But yeah, that's the basic idea. And then the idea is to create some artwork to let the tenants of the building know that those vending machines are there, that break area is there. So I've got to get that drawn up today and inked and colored and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to start it on this vlog, and then on the next vlog I'll finish it up. But that's pretty much what I have in store for today. Yeah, it feels good to be back. Right now the place is back to being a clutter bomb again, but close that drawer. But that's a good thing. That means that things are changing, things are evolving, and hopefully, this little company I'm trying to build is growing. Hopefully, we'll see. But that being said, guys, let me get to moving stuff off of my drawing table and get the camera set up, and let's go ahead and knock out this drawing. I don't even know what I'm gonna draw yet. That's the problem. I gotta figure that out. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna draw. All right, let me think that out, and let me get this place somewhat organized. Yeah, let me get this place somewhat organized, and then we'll tackle that later. Anything else I need to talk about? Oh yeah, there's going to be additions as far as equipment and stuff like that, but that's a little bit more further down the line. Well, not too far down the line, but yeah, we're going to address lighting. We're going to address a lot of things in here, and I think this place will be better for it. But for right now, let me get to figuring out what the heck I'm going to draw, and let me figure out where I'm going to store all this stuff that I'm now not giving a home to. All right, let me figure all this stuff out. All right, fam, so it's time to get back in the saddle in the studio. It's time to make some new art, and the art that I'm going to be making is I'm going to do some artwork for Nebula that's basically going to tell people to buy snacks from the vending machines. And what I've decided to do is I've decided to do a drawing of KWAME HIGHTOWER, of course, since we're going to keep it all in the family, and I think we're going to have some nice callbacks to both Nebula and Foresight Studio. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. I'm going to knock it out on some 9x12 Bristol board, smooth, and I'm probably going to use one of my trusty dusty blue pencils to knock this out. So I think that'll make it a nice, make a nice work of art. Enough talking, let's get into this drawing, and then tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, I'll go ahead and finish it up, scan it in, ink it up, color it up, all that good stuff. But let's get to work. All right, whew. So that's one in the books, and I think the drawing came out dope. I'm really feeling the vibe. I'm really feeling how I pivoted to make it kind of my own, and I'm really looking forward to inking it and coloring it tomorrow. So I really can't wait to get done with that. Feels good to be back in the old place, man. It really does. The vibe feels right. Everything feels right. Changes are on the way to the place. Additions, equipment upgrades, a lot of different things are about to happen. And of course, I have to apologize for the 2-week, almost 3-week hiatus, but I needed that time to really get some business affairs in order. And now that I've got those things in order, we go ahead and start getting this rolling the right way with content on a more consistent basis. Start rolling out the new content next week on the new schedule instead of this willy-nilly schedule that I've been on. We're looking at Mondays and Wednesdays with a possible Friday, but the Friday numbers just be like so I don't know, might switch up and do a live stream, things like that. Not sure just yet, but we want to figure something out. Other things that are all in the works. I moved that desk to the other side for a reason. Looking to get back into doing podcasting. So I wanted a podcasting setup. I wanted a dedicated location, and that desk will be my podcasting location. So sooner or later I'll be getting like some soundproofing over there so that the sound is a lot less echoey than it is right now. Because that's one of the only things that's bad about this place. The acoustics are just horrible, but going to work on that and hopefully make this a much more better sounding, better looking video series, vlog series, whatever you want to call this. Man, I forgot how much I miss my desk, y'all, for real. My temporary setup was great. It is what it is, but my desk is my desk and I love my desk. So I don't know how things are going to go because the disease situation has kicked back up into high gear. I'm going to probably continue working from the office. Just going to have to maintain my protocols. Since it's just me here now, I don't have as much to worry about. So I got the hand sanitizer, soap everywhere. Make sure everything's wiped down. So I'll make sure I'm good there. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update and let you know that I'm back in the studio. I hope you guys are happy to see me back in the studio because I'm happy to be back. And we're gonna rock out from there. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it the big thumbs up and share this all over the internet. Now, if you guys are new here, well, this is a great video for you to join on. Welcome. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We just passed 700 and I thank all 700 of you guys for stopping by, hitting subscribe, and looking for more content. So more content is on the way. Also, if you guys want to get in contact with me, all you got to do is hit me up on Instagram and on Twitter at DKG72. I do have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok that's David Gordon 72. And if you really like what you see and you want to support, I will definitely say, hey, check out the Patreon link that's in the description below. That'll take you over to Patreon and you can just choose a tier and of course go from there. Again, it's just great to be back in the studio. I feel great. It feels wonderful. It's where I need to be. Let's get ready, let's rock out, and let's create some great art, create some great moments, and let's go from there. All right, boy. Boy. All right, y'all, it's your boy DKG72. I'm out. Peace.